Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 25th June 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 17 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. Which city became India's first UNESCO City of Literature? Answer is Kozhikode. On 23 June 2024, Kozhikode made history by becoming the first UNESCO City of Literature in India. In October 2023, Kozhikode, City of Kerala, had earned a place in the Literature category of the UNESCO Creative Cities Network, UCCN. Kozhikode is a city where there are over 500 libraries functioning and has been the base of literary activities of legendary Malayalam writer M.T. Vasudevan Nair for several decades. Question number 2. How many medals has India won in BRICS Games 2024? Answer is 29 medals. The 2024 BRICS Games is an international multisport competition organized from 12 to 23 June 2024 in Kazan, Russia. India finished in 8th position with total of 29 medals, 3 gold, 6 silver and 20 bronze. Russia tops the medals tally with 502 medals, followed by Belarus with 247 medals and China with 62 medals. The Indian women's table tennis team clinched a bronze medal, marking India's first medal at the event. Question number 3. The 2025 ICC Champions Trophy will be held in which country? Answer is Pakistan. The 2025 ICC Champions Trophy will be the 9th edition of the ICC Champions Trophy, a cricket tournament for the 8 top-ranked one-day international ODI men's national teams organized by the International Cricket Council (ICC). It will be hosted by Pakistan from 19th February to 9th March 2025. Apart from host Pakistan, India, Australia, England, New Zealand, South Africa, Bangladesh and Afghanistan are going to be a part of this. Question number 4. Who has won the 2024 One World Media Press Freedom Award? Answer is Bilan Media. Bilan Media, Somalia's first and only all-women news team, has won the 2024 One World Media Press Freedom Award during the 36th One World Media Awards 2024 ceremony held at Curzon Soho in London, United Kingdom. With this award, Bilan became the first Somali media team to receive this honor. This award recognizes their courageous reporting over the past 2 years. Question number 5. Who has become first bowler to take 2 hat-tricks in the T20 Cricket World Cup? Answer is Pat Cummins. Pat Cummins dismissed Rashid Khan, Kareem Jannat and Gulbadin Nayab on 3 back-to-back deliveries in Australia vs Afghanistan T20 World Cup 2024 Super 8 match. With this, Pat Cummins became the first bowler in the world to take 2 hat-tricks in the T20 World Cup. There are a total of 9 instances of bowlers taking hat-tricks in the 17-year-old history of T20 World Cup. Question number 6. Who has been appointed as Director General of National Testing Agency, NTA? Answer is Pradeep Kharola. The Director General of the National Testing Agency, Subodh Kumar Singh, was removed from the post on 22nd June amid controversy over irregularities in exams. Pradeep Singh Kharola is currently the Chairman and Managing Director of India Trade Promotion and has been appointed as the Director General of National Testing Agency as an additional charge. Question number 7. Which state government announced its sponsorship of Hockey India till 2036? Answer is Odisha. Chief Minister of Odisha, Mohan Charan Majhi, announced that the government of Odisha will extend its sponsorship of the Hockey India for another 3 years till 2036, which will mark the completion of 100 years of the formation of Odisha as a separate state in 1936. In April 2023, Odisha government led by then CM Naveen Patnaik extended the sponsorship deal by 10 years till 2033 for 434.12 crores rupees. Question number 8. Who has received the National Award from the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, PFRDA? Answer is Karnataka Vikas Gramina Bank. Indian Regional Rural Bank, Karnataka Vikas Gramina Bank, sponsored by Canara Bank, has received the National Award from the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, PFRDA, for maximum enrollment under Atal Pension Yojana. So far, more than 4.27 lakh combined accounts were opened by Karnataka Vikas Gramina Bank under Atal Pension Yojana. Question number 9. Who has been appointed as the Chairman and MD of New India Assurance? Answer is Girija Subramanian. The government has appointed Girija Subramanian as Chairman and Managing Director of the largest general insurer, New India Assurance, effective from 19 June 2024. Subramanian holds a bachelor's degree in statistics. She is a fellow member of the Insurance Institute of India and also an associate member of the Chartered Insurance Institute, London. Question number 10. Where was successfully conducted the final landing experiment of Pushpak spacecraft? Answer is Karnataka. The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, accomplished the third landing experiment of the reusable launch vehicle, named Pushpak, on 23 June 2024. The third and final test in the series of LEX-03 was conducted at 7:10 Indian Standard Time at the Aeronautical Test Range in Chitradurga, Karnataka. Pushpak's first landing test was on 2 April 2023. The second test was conducted on 22 March 2024. Question number 11. Who became first Indian American to ever be elected to the Virginia General Assembly? Answer is Suhas Subramaniam. Indian American Suhas Subramaniam has won the Democratic primary for a congressional seat in Virginia's 10th congressional district, defeating 11 other candidates, including fellow Indian American Crystal Call. He created history by being the first South Asian, Hindu, and Indian American to be elected to both the Virginia State Senate in 2023 and the General Assembly in 2019. Question number 12. Ayyanna Patra Chintakayalo has become the Speaker of the Legislative Assembly of. Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Ayyanna Patra Chintakayalo has been unanimously elected as the Speaker of the Third Legislature of the newly formed Andhra Pradesh State Assembly. His name was announced on 22 June by Pro Tem Speaker Buchaya Chaudhary. Chintakayal Ayyannaptrudu is 7-time MLA of the Telugu Desam Party. Question number 13. Which company created the Guinness World Record for the largest first aid lesson? Answer is Zomato. Food delivery service provider Zomato made a world record in Mumbai. The company trained over 4,300 delivery partners in a single location, setting the Guinness World Record for the largest first aid lesson at a single venue. The event was graced by esteemed guest Mr. Anil Kumbale. Zomato is an Indian multinational restaurant aggregator and food delivery company. It was founded by Deepinder Goyal and Pankaj Chadda in 2008. Question number 14. Which state will convert Ranipur Tiger Reserve into an ecotourism hub? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh government has initiated a plan to transform the Ranipur Tiger Reserve in Chitrakoot into a prime ecotourism destination. This ambitious project aims to leverage the region's natural beauty and biodiversity to promote sustainable tourism, boosting local economies and conservation efforts. Established in 1977 and sprawling across 230 square kilometers, this tiger reserve in Uttar Pradesh is the fourth and the nation's 53rd tiger reserve. Question number 15. Who has inaugurated the Prerna Sthal within the Parliament House complex? Answer is Jagdeep Dhankar. Rajya Sabha Chairperson and Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar inaugurated the Prerna Sthal Inspiration Site within the Parliament House complex. This newly constructed site houses statues of national icons and freedom fighters that were previously scattered across different locations on the premises. Question number 16. India has announced medical e-visa facility for citizens of which country? Answer is Bangladesh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced to start e-medical visa facility for people coming from Bangladesh to India for medical treatment. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in a joint press briefing with his Bangladeshi counterpart Sheikh Hasina on 22nd June, announced this. Additionally, India plans to open a new consulate in Rangpur, Bangladesh, to provide services to the northwest region of the country. Question number 17. World Rainforest Day is observed every year on. Answer is 22nd June. World Rainforest Day is celebrated annually on 22nd June. It aims to raise awareness about the importance of rainforests and encourage their protection and conservation. The day was first observed in 2017 by the Rainforest Partnership. The theme for World Rainforest Day 2024 is Empowering the World in Defense of Our Rainforests. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.